Imagine a future where luxury, sustainability, and innovation come together seamlessly. That future is here, with the Yutong U12, an all-electric bus designed to elevate passenger travel while reducing environmental impact. This isn't just a bus, it's a statement of progress and comfort. The Yutong U12's exterior is a masterpiece of sleek design and intelligent engineering. Its smooth, aerodynamic lines, bold front fascia, and signature LED lighting create an unmistakable presence on the road. Every detail is crafted to enhance efficiency and turn heads, whether in bustling city streets or along scenic highways. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a spacious, thoughtfully designed cabin. The interior reflects modern sophistication, with high-quality materials, panoramic windows, and ambient lighting that creates a calming atmosphere. The seats are plush and ergonomically designed, offering generous legroom, adjustable headrests, and personal USB charging ports, making every journey as comfortable as it is convenient. Passengers can stay connected and entertained with onboard Wi-Fi and a smart infotainment system. Whether catching up on work, watching a favorite show, or simply enjoying the ride, the Yutong U12 makes it easy to relax and unwind. And with a near-silent electric motor, conversations and quiet moments are never disrupted by engine. Yutong's intelligent safety features, including collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and automatic braking, ensure every trip is as safe as it is smooth. Underneath it all, the U12's powerful electric drivetrain delivers outstanding performance. With zero emissions, impressive range, and fast-charging capabilities, this bus is ready to meet the demands of modern transit without compromising sustainability. The advanced battery management system optimizes energy use, while the regenerative braking system helps extend range and improve efficiency. Practicality meets innovation with thoughtful storage solutions, wheelchair accessibility, and flexible seating configurations, making the U12 perfect for urban commutes, long-distance routes, or premium shuttle services. As the Yutong U12 glides silently towards its destination, it represents more than just a mode of transportation. It symbolizes a shift towards cleaner, smarter travel, where technology and comfort go hand in hand to create a truly elevated passenger experience. The Yutong U12, driving the future of electric mobility, one luxurious mile at a time. Experience tomorrow's travel today.